What's up, guys? It's me again, Christian Rodriguez, and as of today, I just wanted to talk about. I want to make this video short, but this is what I'm working on with AI automation and what I've been doing at N8N and what I've learned so far. So I'm just gonna do a brief. I'm just gonna show you the two platforms I'm working on is N8N and Airtable, and what I learned with both of them, you have to use both of them. Many creators also use Google Sheets, but the way I've learned it, at least from my understanding of it, is that with Airtable, even though it's paid, it's a bit more complex to use. It's better for, I'll put it right here. It's a spreadsheet just like Google Sheets, but Google Sheets you can easily just make a mistake. Here, it's not as like when you start having a bunch of data, when you start having a bunch of things to implement your automations, you can easily make a little measly mistake. At least with Airtable, it's it's more business friendly. It's more, especially if you're scaling your business, you're working with a ton of clients. It's more reliable to use Airtable, even though Google Sheets is also reasonable to use as well. And now with N8N, right? So what I've learned is just how to implement both of them, how to combine both of them. And the way I do it is I'll type Airtable. There's different ways of doing it, but this is one way of doing it. So I'll go to Airtable, right? You have to get an access token. Oh, I already have one, but another time I'll show you guys how to do that. Let's say I have an access token here, right? And then from the access token. So you have to be really careful with this because here it'll actually run by the minute. And this could just take up all of your automation time. So you want to run it by the month instead of by the minute. And you want to, so this is connecting Airtable. So then for here, you want to do by ID. And you want to go to Airtable, copy this, which is the base ID, and you paste it here. All right, you copy the table ID right here. You copy the table ID, right? And for here, you would just type created, right? Then you run a test. Test. Let's hope it works. Cross our fingers. Let's hope this works. But then from here, you're fetching the event from Airtable. And what I'm doing is I want to bring what's here and I want to link this with my N8N. So we're waiting, but this should go through at any moment. And it's, give me one moment. Sometimes it does this. Let's see. Sometimes you click this and it goes through, which it did. Work through. It went through. Perfect. Perfect. Yep, it went through. Awesome. Maybe do it one more time. Sometimes it does this. All right, well, it went through. We have some data right here. So this is a sign that stuff from Airtable came through. But this is super short video, as I mentioned before. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll send you guys another video.